What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get cheap shipping on AllChinaBuy. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly get cheap shipping here on AllChinaBuy? Well, in order for you to get cheap shipping on AllChinaBuy here, you need to consider a few things when you're buying something within the platform. So as an example, let's go and search for a product that you may want to buy here. Let's just search for shoes and basically search for a product for it. Now, in this case, obviously, there are going to be a lot of products that you could get here. So, for example, you have this product here. Let's go and click on it. And you can go and just view, or in this case, add this to your cart if you want. But let's go and choose a size, like 41, size 41 here. Let's go and click on the color and click on buy now. Again, this is just an example. I'm just showing you how to exactly get cheap shipping here. But obviously, as you can see, there's a bunch of information that you can see here. Now, you have inbound with original packing. So in this case, there's a free service here. So store a product after weighing it with original packing box here. But what you could do is you need to click on the inbound with original packing here. And in this case, you have standard inspection. So you could actually answer no here. So unpack the original packaging for inspection or photo taking. So you could answer no here. Now, if you answer no here, you may have the option, or you may get the option for you to basically get more, or in this case, a cheaper shipping on your product here. But yeah, so this is one of the ways that in order for you to get cheaper shipping here in AllChinaBuy, and that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.